Right, 78 Rolls Royce Corniche convertible. A friend of mine, Paul, owns it. He's what's the best way of putting it? He's a large chap.
Okay.
Basically, with the seat swab in, he can't get in. So we've got to move the seat back. You've got 4 mounting points on it, down inside, and this block here, which holds your motor ram. So there's enough room under here to put an angle in here, okay, and an angle in there. Hopefully, might be a bit dodgy on that bit there, I'm not 100% sure, but basically we've got to take the seat out. Now what I want to do is loosen it all off, move the seat this way, because I don't really want to unplug all of this wiring if I don't have to. There might be another plug in here, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
But if there isn't, it's going to have to come out. But the relay should come off. That's plugged to the motor. It's just these ones here I'm a bit worried about, because they're like stops for the motor. But till we get it out and move it, we don't know. So that's the first thing to do. So I shall carry on doing that. It's Canadian apparently.
Of course.
Left-hand drive. Right, that's the front two out. We've got a spacer block this side. None that side, that'll be to do the tilt of the seat that way. Right, now we've got to wind it all the way forwards.
Power seat then?
Yeah, it's all a bit slow. I've lubed it up. That's on its stop. And then we can get to the back two. Right, I'm going to have to take the wiring out, I think.
So you're just moving the bracket underneath, back? Is that what you're trying?
No, what you've got to do is make 2 angles. If we come back that distance there, so I can mount that on the rear holes there, and then we'll have to drill 2 holes down in there somewhere, and that'll bring the seat back, because that's on its furthest forwards at the moment.
Yeah.
But that'll give him a lot more leeway to come back, yeah? Right, what have we got here? They're all your greens. They come out of there. That should stay. That is your loom. Let's get a photo of that. Mark up those. Right, any of them with a stripe on the front or this side relay.
What causes the lack of power in the seat and to deteriorate over time?
Old age, usage, old age. Yeah, it's just the way they are.
Can you recover that at all?
If you took the whole thing apart, yeah, all that mechanism, but you really don't want to go there if you
I was just interested to know why it was sluggish.
Yeah, it's just what they are. Right. Fucking hell, that's heavy, isn't it? Right. Swivel out. Right. What we've got to do is put 2 angles on there and then drill some more holes in it so that those come back to there.
Yeah.
And we'll do it the same distance as that. Then I can put my front mounts on there, see if there's any more under here, but I doubt it. So we'll cut a bit of that out because it's got to sit halfway level, otherwise it won't work. That's easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, piece of cake.
Right, well there's no more holes in there. I don't want to, you've got to be careful what you're drilling, because you might drill through something underneath.
Yeah.
Like a fuel line or something stupid. You don't want to be doing that.
Don't.
Guess where the fuel lines are?
Not right there. Well, this is where you checked, isn't it?
Okay, right, let's go and get me a bit of angle I bought. That's going to have a bolt in it, that's going to have a bolt in it. They're going to have to be countersunk, aren't they? No, only the rear one will, won't it? Right, so let's drill this one up. I'm happy with that. Happy with that, okay. Got one, cheers. Right, let's try that. .446, 455. How can that be that far out? .450, 450. That's better. Right, let's go and drill this one. Right. Right. Even the carpet's fighting me. 547, 548. That'll do, mate. Not worried about a millimetre. Now we should have 410 roughly across our centres. 410, 410. Right, so we want to come back at the moment that far, and then I could put that bolt hole into there.
It's not going to affect the reach of the wires, is it?
Shouldn't do, I don't think, no, because there's quite a lot of it bundled up, wasn't there?
Yeah.
No, I think that'll be alright. The trouble with fabrication, it's all in and out, in and out, in and out, you know. Shake it all about. Right, now drill those. Sticks my arse out. Right. Thank you.
Do you want to shove it over?
Right. There's one, there's that one on. Hold on. Try and slide it back a bit more.
This is like when they disarm a bomb, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a true story here in the book, printed by the Ministry of Defence during the war.
Yeah.
It said, cut the red wire, turn the page, but before you do that, cut the blue wire.
I love it.
That's true.
Love it.
Fixed, that's the only issue there. It's going to be that, I think. The trouble is, that's pretty much about all he's going to get, isn't it? Which is not actually a long way further back than what it massive amount. But
Not a huge amount, is it? So a little summary.
Absolute pain in the arse to do, but that's way it is. A job's a job, isn't it? So just got to get Paul down there and make sure he can get in it. We've still got the ability to move it back if we need to, but we're going to have to do something with this seatbelt arrangement here because it's hitting the side of the seat. But he said it was like that. I mean, if he can get to that,
Yeah.
you know, he's halfway there. I mean, he can get his legs underneath the steering wheel. I think he'll probably be all right. But he is big, so there's no disrespect to the man. But so I'll give him a ring, get him down, and see what we can do.